Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out something really cool. A smart ring that claims to give you deep health and lifestyle insights without the bulk of a smartwatch. This is the Ultrahuman Ring Air, and in this video we're gonna break down what it actually does, how it works, and whether it's worth your attention. So let's get into it. So what even is this thing? At its core, the Ultrahuman Ring Air is a slim, lightweight wearable, literally a ring, that tracks your body signals like sleep, recovery, movement, temperature, and HRV, that's heart rate variability, all day and night. It's basically like wearing a fitness tracker on your finger. And the idea here is subtlety. You don't need a bulky watch strapped on your wrist. This thing pretty much disappears once you put it on. Okay, so what does it track? Here is the juice. Sleep quality, total sleep stages, how restorative your rest is. Movement and activity, steps, movement patterns. Stress and recovery, using HRV metrics to tell how you're bouncing back. Skin temperature, which can indicate things like stress or illness trends. And daily insights. And unlike some smart rings, this one doesn't lock you behind a mandatory subscription for basic tracking. You just pair it with the Ultrahuman app and start seeing data right away. What's cool to me is that it doesn't just spit out numbers. The ring and app try to tell you the why behind your trend. Like if your sleep score dipped after a late night meal, you might get a suggestion on hydration, movement, or a circadian rhythm tweaks. Now let's speak about wearability. This thing is tiny. Reports suggest it weighs around 2.4 to 3.6 grams, depending on size, so honestly it feels like nothing on your finger. But, and this is real talk, it isn't perfect. Some users feel the activity tracking, especially during workouts, isn't as accurate as a good fitness watch, and step counts can differ from other devices. Also, even though it is water resistant enough for swimming or showering, heavy weight training or constant finger pressure can be a bit annoying to wear through. So comfort is great for everyday life or sleeping, but some folks choose to take it off during some kind of workouts. Now let's speak about the battery life, and this is another strong point of the Ultrahuman Ring Air. A single charge can last you multiple days, up to about 6 days on average, which means you don't have to charge it nightly like a smartwatch. The app syncs all your data cleanly and gives you daily summaries, personalized suggestions, and charts you can actually understand. It's easy to scroll through your sleep scores, recovery windows, and stress levels without feeling overwhelmed. Of course, the real powerhouse is when you combine this ring with their metabolic tracking system, the Ultrahuman M1, which can correlate glucose with activity and sleep, but that's a deeper topic for another video. So who's this kind of tech actually for? I think it's great if you want passive health and recovery insights, you hate wearing watches or bands, you focus on sleep optimization or recovery trends, you love data that you can act on in real life. But maybe it's not ideal if you are after a hardcore workout metrics or need precision step tracking like a GPS smartwatch. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. So that's the Ultrahuman Ring Air, a smart health tracker that's tiny but surprisingly informative. I link it down below so you can check it out for yourself. And thanks for Ultrahuman to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button and you know the rest, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.